Okay, so we are seeing increase of the amount of fires that we are seeing here in Iceland. About 10-15 years ago, we were maybe seeing like 7 to up to 20 fires per season. And now we're seeing like maybe 150 to 250 fires per year. So yeah, that's definitely increasing. We are seeing definitely some weather changes in Iceland. We are seeing like long periods of raining weather. So the raining season is longer, but we are also seeing dry spells of longer dry spells.